Serena Hotels, under the Culture Diplomacy Initiative, hosted a fundraising event titled Muddat hui hai yaar ko mehman kiye hue for the Mashal Association. Mashal Association is a social welfare organization which has been working for educating and empowering girls and women since 1988. The audience experienced the true essence of the Urdu language as Adeel Hashmi, who is a famous, talented, and a prominent name of Pakistani Showbiz industry, narrated selected pieces from Urdu literature, and he was accompanied by Ustad Raees Khan on his magical violin. Serena Hotels take great pride in the privilege of organizing and hosting events that play a significant role in encouraging the culture and traditional essence of Pakistan. MD Udan News, Umar Sarwar, Abu Khalid Jambaz and Shaheen Group of Pakistan appreciated this act. This program is sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. They deal with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Aseel Cooks Desi Eggs, Aseel Jet Karahi, Aseel White Karahi, Koi Jet Karahi and Aloe Wax Beauty Soap. You are watching Udan News.